We'll guide you through how to set up Claude AI on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Claude AI website on your desktop browser. You're going to want to make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome or Firefox for the best experience. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, typically located at the top right corner. Click on that and you'll be prompted to create an account. Fill in your details, such as your email address and a secure password, then click on Sign Up or Register. You might need to verify your email, so check your inbox for a confirmation email from Claude AI. Once verified, log in to your new account. Now, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you can start a new project by clicking on the Create New Project button. Name your project and describe its purpose if needed, then click Start. Claude AI will now initialize your workspace. You'll see options to upload data or start with a pre-built template. Choose what suits your needs. If you're uploading data, make sure it's in a supported format, like CSV or JSON. Drag and drop your files or use the Upload button. Once your data is loaded, you can begin using Claude AI's features to analyze or predict outcomes. Explore the various tools available, such as data visualization or machine learning model creation. Remember, Claude AI often provides helpful tooltips, so hover over icons for more information if you're unsure about any feature. As you work through your project, you can save your progress by clicking the Save icon, ensuring you don't lose any changes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.